In this video, we'll be cutting this bad boy to show you how to save seeds from it.
Now we'll be showing you how to save seed from your other Deshi vegetables such as aubergine, squash, chillies, uris, etc.
Hello and Assalamu alaikum. If you're new to our channel, I'm Akib Ullah.
I am Ali Raja. Assalamu alaikum.
If you enjoy the types of videos that we make, you should consider subscribing to our YouTube channel because we show you how to grow these vegetables, we show you how to cook these vegetables, and we show you how to enjoy life by travelling. So without further ado, Dad, let's start gardening.
Let's start saving some seed for next year. You can tell by the jackets we're wearing, the temperature in London is getting cold, especially the night temperature. It falls below 10 degrees. I think last night was about 6 or 7 degrees.
Yeah.
So it's getting really cold.
I had to put the heat on and everything, Dad. It was pretty cold. So, Dad, which vegetable should we start with?
We'll show everyone how to save seeds from your chilies. Now, saving seeds from your chilies is very simple. These are some of my favorite chilies, hot chilies here. These are the ghost peppers or Bojolokia. We call it the long naga. These are the Naga chilies. We call it the short naga or small naga. These are, we call them chocolate naga. These are the Kenyan chilies. We have Trinidad scorpion. We have Carolina Reaper somewhere here. And these are the Krishna chilies. They start off with black and then slowly they turn red. So make sure you label your plate. We call it a long naga. Put a tissue over it and get a fully ripe chili and cut it about halfway without going all the way through. So don't cut it all the way through, otherwise you'll cut the seeds. Now if you see any seeds slightly black, throw them away. They're infected or they're rotten. So these are the seeds that you should keep. These are perfectly fine. They're nice and bright, clear. But look at this one. They've rotted slightly. I can see they've gone turned black. Can you see they've actually rotted, molded? So I'm not going to actually keep this one. I'm going to throw this away. Put the plate and just remove all the seeds. Okay. Now don't throw this away. You can use this for your chili sauce, naga pickle, or you could dry them and turn them into powder and put them in your curry. That was nice and simple, wasn't it? Now place this plate in a sunny windowsill, or you can keep it outdoor in a sunny day and let it dry out fully. It probably takes about a week or two. And then take all the bits out. And then put it in a container and don't forget to label it. Keep this container in a room temperature and keep it for up to 3 years. And we tend to use fresh seed every year, but you can keep this up to 3 years.
It's my turn to cut this bad boy and show you how to save the seeds.
Now we kept this khodu or lauki or bottle gourd. Different people call it by different names. We kept it on our plant until it went hard. So make sure it's turned hard. And then cut it open and then take all the seeds out. So the seeds will be mature inside. So it has to be, skin has to be really hard.
This is like rock solid.
So to cut this, it's going to be quite difficult.
Yes.
So we have to use this
Sharp knife.
sharp sword. I don't think you can put a knife through there. All right, can you manage with this?
Yes, Dad, I'll try.
Mind your fingers or hand, Aki.
Yep.
So I'm going to hold it hard.
Whoa, this is
going to be hard, right? All right, so now let's turn it the other way. Okay. It would be difficult to cut this with a knife, so try to use a sword.
Whoa, there. Whoa.
Oh. Look at this beautiful, solid bottle gourd seeds.
They look
They are
so
hard and they're fully matured. And now it's time to take them out, wash them, dry them and store them.
First we need to take them out, Dad, so
Yes, we'll get quite a few seeds from this lau. Oh, wow. That's a lot of seeds. If you want to watch some of our how-to videos, how to grow them, how to harvest them, how to cook them, we'll leave the link in the description down below.
Or you could click the eye up here and it'll take you straight to that video. That's everything there.
Oh. Now put it through a colander. Oh wow, look at this.
Whoa, these look beautiful.
They look beautiful. Now, on a big plate, put a lot of tissues on them and then put your seeds on them to dry them. So that the tissue sucks all the moisture out and keep them on a windowsill. Spread them out and keep this on a sunny windowsill or keep it outside on a sunny day. We want to dry them out properly so there's no moisture in it, and then you could put it in a container and leave them in room temperature. You can keep them up to 3 years. Now let's show you how to save your seed from your eggplant, your aubergine, your brinjal. Again, leave the fruit on the plant as long as you can. Wait till it loses its shine, and then it needs to be fully mature, fully ripened. All right, so we're going to cut this bit out. Yes, all right. So now let's cut this open.
Wow.
There's a lot of seeds in there.
That is a lot of seeds.
There's a lot of seeds.
Let's check this one out.
Let's check this one out. So we're going to just cut it here. Wow. So make sure the seeds are brown and hard.
Whoa,
Give plenty. Now keep them to a side. Let's not mix them. Let's do this one first, and then
we'll do the next one. Yeah.
Right. Okay. Now this needs a lot of patience. Your mum would be good at this. She's the patient one in the family. So remove them. Oh, we have a lot of seeds.
Whoa, under the flesh.
Okay. So if you dry them, and then you can remove the bits. I'm feeling lucky with all these beautiful seeds, and inshallah we'll get a lot of harvest next year. Once you dry them and there's no moisture in your seeds, put them in a container and don't forget to label them. Now this is the round green Desi baingan, one of our favorite. This is my favorite dumpling.
One of my favorite sweet dumpling squash.
So the pumpkins. So we're not going to actually cut them today. We'll cut them when we need to cook them. You can actually store this up to 3 months during winter. So when you're ready to eat them, cut them and keep the seed, dry them and store them. If you haven't seen some of our harvesting video, this is an amazing video. We had fantastic season this year for harvesting. So we will leave the link in the description down below, or you could watch by clicking the eye up here, and it will take you straight to those videos.
And check out some of our cooking and traveling videos. They're very interesting videos.
Now, just in case if you're new to our channel, we do make cooking videos. We show you how to cook them. We actually travel, so we show you where to travel, how to travel, and how to enjoy life. This year we are hoping to travel. Where are we going?
We're going to Dubai, Turkey, Abu Dhabi, and Oman.
So hope, fingers crossed, if we don't get into another lockdown and the flights are still flying, we will be visiting Oman, Abu Dhabi, Dubai, Turkey.
Yeah.
So don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. So every time we upload a video, you'll be notified. We make videos every week. Don't we, Akib?
Yes, we do, Dad, every Sundays.
And so I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you have, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to share our videos
with your friends and family. As you know, sharing is caring. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, do something amazing and hit that subscribe button. And hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time we upload. Don't forget to leave us a comment. Stay safe, Assalamu alaikum, And until then, I will see you in the next one.
Happy gardening. Assalamu alaikum. And I'll see you in the next one.
So Dad, we need to take all of this inside now.
Okay, so these needs to go inside the boiler room.
Yep.
And some of them will put them on the windowsill. Okay, so let's get working now. So they all need to go inside.
I'll take these seeds.